Hi guys, quick EI Tech blurb. This is in regards to two part numbers today. 000-091-0840. It's our fuel strainer kit on the lift pump for the injection pump, as well as this hasp. We actually see quite often this hasp gets destroyed as well as the kit. So the hasp part number is a 000-091-1341. Both of these parts are readily available on the Expedition Imports website. So I've already replaced out the hasps here. They have a tendency, this one had frozen, so it is gone. The filter strainer kit, it's 4 parts in here. It is the rubber gasket, a spring, the filter, plastic filter itself, and the glass bowl. The reason most people end up replacing these is because of the glass bowl. I see a ton of breakage on that. So take your gasket, take your old stuff out, use a little bit of diesel, seat it into the groove there so that it is fully seated in there. On the spring, there is a fat end and a tight end. The fat end goes over the bottom of the filter. It'll lock itself in a little bit. This goes down in the filter cup. So it goes in the bottom of the filter cup. Then we're going to take our filter cup, we're going to line it in here, press it down, take the hasp, and this is where people break them. This hasp goes up and down. You do it by hand, slide it in, make sure that you have gotten the round portion dead center of the glass bowl. If you tighten it off and it's offset, it will break the bowl. You don't need to over tighten these that much. Simply finger tight and you are good to go. So that is the filter strainer kit. Have a good day. Cheers.